Good morning. Welcome you all in top 1000 most important questions series of fishery science. Today we'll discuss about some important terms related to fishery science that can be helpful for your exam. So let's start some important terms. First is proximate composition. What is proximate composition? Analysis of moisture, protein, fat, ash, and carbohydrate in fish. That is called proximate composition. Next is rigor mortis. What is rigor mortis? Post-mortem stiffening of fish muscle due to actin myosin bonding. Okay. Post-mortem stiffening of fish muscle due to actin myosin bonding. Okay. Next is what is autolysis? Self-digestion of fish tissue by indigenous enzymes after death. That is called autolysis. Next is TVVN. Tell me about TVVN, yani total volatile base nitrogen. Total volatile base nitrogen is a chemical index for measuring fish spoilage. Next is TMAN, yani trimethyl amine nitrogen. This is compound responsible for fishy odor in spoiled fish. That is called TMAN. Next is FFA, yani free fatty acid. Free fatty acid is an indicator of lipid hydrolysis in fish fat. Next is peroxide value. What is peroxide value? Peroxide value is measure of lipid oxidation or rancidity. Peroxide value is measure of lipid oxidation or rancidity. That is called peroxide value. Next is what is fish silage? Liquid product from fish waste preserved with acid or fermentation. That is called fish silage. Next is fish hydrolysate. What is fish hydrolysate? Fish hydrolysate is product obtained by enzymatic digestion of fish protein. That is called fish hydrolysate. What is surimi? Surimi is surimi is a product of which washed fish meat. Surimi is a washed fish meat used to make imitation seafood product. That is called surimi. Next is tell me about cryoprotectant. Cryoprotectant is a substance like sucrose, sorbitol used to protect proteins during freezing. That is called cryoprotectants. Next is freezing curve. Tell me about freezing curve. Graph showing temperature changes during fish freezing. During fish freezing. That is called freezing curve. नेक्स्ट है कि व्हाट इज ड्रिप लॉस. मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट है. व्हाट इज ड्रिप लॉस? ड्रिप लॉस लिक्विड लॉस फ्रॉम फिश मसल ड्यूरिंग थाइंग. थाइंग के टाइम में जो लिक्विड लॉस होता है फिश मसल से, दैट इज कॉल्ड ड्रिप लॉस. नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट इज मैप, यानी कि मॉडिफाइड एटमॉस्फेरिक पैकेजिंग. Modified atmospheric packaging is a packaging technique using gas mixture to extend shelf life of the product. Next is what is vacuum packaging? Vacuum packaging is packaging removal of air from the pack of slow spoilage. That is called vacuum packaging. Next is what is blanching? Blanching means brief heat treatment. Brief heat treatment before freezing or drying of inactivate enzymes. That is called blanching. Next है what is dehydration? Tell me about dehydration. Removal of moisture, most important है. Removal of moisture to prevent microbial growth, that is called dehydration. Next is what is curing? Curing is the method of preservation by adding salt, sugar or spices. That is called curing. What is smoking? Smoking is the method of preservation and flavoring using wood smoke, can be hot or cold. Okay. Next is what is fermentation? Fermentation is a microbial conversion of fish into stable products like fish sauce or fish paste. Okay. Next है fish protein concentrate. What is fish protein concentrate? A dried product with high protein content from fish. Fish protein concentrate is a dry product with high protein content from fish. That is called fish protein concentrate. Next है fish meal. Tell me about fish meal. Dried ground fish used as a animal feed. That is called fish meal. Next है कि what is fish oil? Oil extracted from fish rich in omega 3 fatty acid, that is called fish oil. नेक्स्ट है कि कोलेजन, टेल मी अबाउट कोलेजन। कोलेजन है मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट टर्म है। कोलेजन प्रोटीन एक्सट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम फिश स्किन, बोन्स और स्किल्स। जो प्रोटीन फिश स्किन से, बोन्स से या स्केल से एक्सट्रैक्ट किया जाता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड कोलेजन। नेक्स्ट है कि व्हाट इज काइटिन। काइटिन इज ए पॉलीसैकेराइड ऑब्टेन्ड फ्रॉम क्रस्टेशियन सेल, दैट इज कॉल्ड काइटिन। नेक्स्ट है व्हाट इज काइटोसन। Chitosan Chitosan is a diacylated derivative of chitin, okay, used in food and pharma. Next है कि what is gelatin? Gelatin is a protein product derived from partial hydrolysis of collagen. नेक्स्ट है कि व्हाट इज HACCP। HACCP का फुल फॉर्म है कि हैजार्ड एनालिसिस एंड क्रिटिकल कंट्रोल पॉइंट इज ए फूड सेफ्टी मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम। HACCP इज ए फूड सेफ्टी मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम। नेक्स्ट है कि व्हाट इज GMP। टेल मी अबाउट GMP। GMP मीन्स गुड मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रैक्टिसेस, इज ए सेट ऑफ रूल्स ensuring product safety and hygiene, that is called GMP. What is EIC? EIC means Export Inspection Council, is a agency for export certification of fish products in India. Okay. Next question is FSSAI. FSSAI यानी Food Safety and Standard Authority of India is a Indian authority regulating food safety standards. Okay. Next question is sensory evaluation. Tell me about sensory evaluation. Is a assessment of fish quality by color, odor, texture and taste. That is called sensory evaluation. Next है what is organoleptic test. What is organoleptic test? Organoleptic test is a evaluation using human senses for freshness. Okay. Next है what is microbial load? Tell me about microbial load. Microbial load is a number of microorganisms present in fish product, that is called microbial load. Next है plate freezer. Tell me about plate freezer. Plate freezer is a equipment used for rapid freezing of fish blocks. What is blast freezer? Blast freezer that uses high velocity and cold air, high velocity cold air for quick freezing, that is called blast freezer. Next है cold storage. Tell me about cold storage. Cold storage controlled low temperature room for long term preservation, that is called cold storage. Next है what is IQF यानी individually quick frozen. Individually quick frozen is a freezing technique for individual fish species. Okay. Next है कि what is thawing. Most important term है what is thawing. Thawing is controlled defrosting of frozen fish. Thawing is controlled defrosting of frozen fish, that is called thawing. Next है कि what is HPP यानी high pressure processing. High pressure processing is non-thermal preservation using high hydrostatic pressure, that is called high pressure processing. Next है कि what is ohmic heating. Tell me about ohmic heating. Heating by passing electric current through food, that is called ohmic heating. Next है irradiation. What is use of irradiation means use of ionizing radiation to eliminate pathogens and extend shelf life, that is called irradiation. Next की तरफ चलते हैं. What is next है कि what is biopreservation. Biopreservation means use of natural antimicrobial substances or microorganism for preservation, that is called biopreservation. Next है कि what is edible coating. Edible coating means thin protective layer applied to fish for extending shelf life, that is called edible coating. Next है कि नैनो टेक्नोलॉजी. टेल मी अबाउट नैनो टेक्नोलॉजी. यूज ऑफ नैनो पार्टिकल्स इन स्मार्ट पैकेजिंग एंड क्वालिटी मॉनिटरिंग, दैट इज कॉल्ड नैनो टेक्नोलॉजी. नेक्स्ट है कि व्हाट इज स्मार्ट पैकेजिंग. पैकेजिंग दैट मॉनिटर्स प्रोडक्ट फ्रेशनेस एंड क्वालिटी, दैट इज कॉल्ड स्मार्ट पैकेजिंग. नेक्स्ट है कि स्पॉइलेज इंडेक्स. स्पॉइलेज इंडेक्स क्या है. बायोकेमिकल एंड और माइक्रोबायोलॉजिकल इंडिकेटर ऑफ डिटेरियोरेशन, that is called spoilage index. Next है what is sanitation. Sanitation is the process of cleaning and disinfecting equipment and plant area, that is called sanitation. नेक्स्ट है कि व्हाट इज वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट। वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट मीन्स ट्रीटमेंट एंड यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ फिश प्रोसेसिंग बाई प्रोडक्ट इज कॉल्ड वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट। नेक्स्ट है कि व्हाट इज सस्टेनेबिलिटी। सस्टेनेबिलिटी मीन्स efficient use of resources and reduction of waste in fish processing, that is called sustainability। तो ये रहे टॉप 50 वो टर्म्स ऑफ फिशरीज साइंस। अब मिलते हैं इस प्रकार की अगली सीरीज में। जय हिंद, जय भारत।